How to search private channels on Telegram. What I usually do for this is I go to my Google, I search private Telegram channels. And a bunch of sites will come up. So you have to scroll down to find a site that provides all these private Telegram channel links. Let's go into this one, this Telegram Mania. I think they provide a bunch of Telegram links which you can't find on a normal Telegram channel search. I recommend you go to this Telegram guide. They have a bunch of Telegram channels which you can find inside a Telegram search button. So you scroll down to find these private channels. They have a bunch of different channels you can join here.